MetaTrader 4 Profiting Forex Trading Strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on the right platform also. This is a profitable strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do that. And if you like this video, kindly give me a thumb up. The download link to this indicator I use for this strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it also. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. Hope you had a great week. Now I would like to show you this working strategy. It is profitable. It is meant for MT4 and not MT5. Before you take any trade from this particular indicator, make sure you check Forex Factory. Do analyze the news before you take your trade. You can check this fundamental or this news on forexfactory.com. Make sure you always check it out so that it won't go against your technical analysis. Having said that, let us dive in. Now, this is a simple indicator that do give us this buy zone and the stop loss. This is our buy zone here. This is where to buy, and this is stop loss zone. And I would like, if you want to use this, to put your stop loss below this area. Below this area, put your stop loss there, and you can take profit from any of the zone here. This is zone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can take it from any of these, or you have a fixed take profit either here 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Now when you see this particular arrow, make sure that the indicator here on the indicator windows, they have the same color, like this blue for a buy. Though we have the arrow here, you are not going to place your trade at this particular point, because when you check the indicator window, one of the indicator is still red. The middle value is red there, and so you cannot take your trade at this particular point. You wait until this point where we have all the lines in agreement. So at this point you can place your trade here for a buy, and this is where you place your trade for a buy and stop loss here. And if you check, if this is like a 57 pips, then your take profit can be like 60 also for this particular trade. And this is good right now on 15-minute time frame. So this is how to use this particular strategy. This is good on 15 minutes. You can use it on any time frame that you want to, but I prefer 15 minutes for this particular indicator, so you can check it out. So let me check one of the pair again. This is Euro USD. Let me check Euro USD, and here we have this arrow here for a buy at this particular point. But when you check the indicator window, we do not have a confirmation there until this particular point that we have a confirmation. Then you can ride the trend. It's either you use any time frame you want. This is 1 hour for this, and here is 5-minute time frame also for. So on 5 minutes for this particular piece, Euro USD, we have this, and the sell ratio. This is like 89.8 to 10.2 percentage. So if you check this very well, it tells us that this will definitely deliver. The risk to reward is high. Our reward is higher than our stop loss, so our risk. So at this point you can place your trade, and this is where you are going to enter your trade, where you have all the indicators in agreement and stop loss just above here. Then you can ride the trend. You can use any time frame. As I said, you can use any time frame. It depends on you, and make sure you know how many pips you are going for if you are using it on lower time frame. So it is a simple strategy, and anyone can use this particular strategy, and this is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. And here is it on 30-minute also. We have the buy arrow here, but this indicator confirmed this signal at this particular point, so you can write it from here using the combination of all the indicators together, all the signal generated by this indicator. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Make sure you download this indicator. Now let me show you the settings that I use for this particular indicator. So here are the settings. There's no any things to change here apart from the color. So just leave it the way it is, and then click OK. And the second indicator is this, and these are the values. Make sure you pause the video and enter the value accordingly. And these are the colors, so if you want to change it, you can change it, and if you do not want to, just use it the way it is and click OK when you are done. So I've used this two indicator for this particular strategy, and you can download it for free. Kindly give me a thumb up for this strategy. It is free, and you can download it from the download link in my video description. Till I come your way again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow money management as you trade, and keep winning. This is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You can use it on any pairs at all, any currency. You can use it, this particular strategy. Till I come your way again, keep on winning, and bye for now.